All right, I want to test something out. This is my smoker. This is the inside of the door. This has got about 50 hours of smoking on it since it's been cleaned. Been working on a new cleaner for carbon for engines. Some of the engines that we have seen have so much carbon buildup in them that they can actually break loose and clog the filter screen. So I wanted to come up with something, and this is it. Here, we're going to spray that on there, and then let it set for a couple minutes, and then wipe it off. See how it does. I'm going to spray this down here. You can see how thick and nasty that is. I'm going to spray that on there, and you see how it's melting it already. Let that sit for just a little bit. Can't push on it because I got to hold the camera. Should have had some help, but it is coming right off. I'm going to pause this for a minute and then see if I can use something to hold the door open. So it's been sitting for about 2 minutes, long enough to go in and grab a piece of tape and tape the door open. You see here I got a bright white cloth Viva rag, and we are going to wipe this off. Wow. First application only sat there for 2 minutes. Just thick stuff. This would have been fantastic with a pressure washer. You can use this on your oven. You can use this in your engine, and just at an idle and let it drain the drain the oil after it warms up. Change your oil. That way none of the carbon and sludge gets stuck. That's pretty clean for, I'm just barely wiping that. Let's see this stuff here. You can see how thick that is. I just wiped right off. Turned it to goo. I'm gonna have to take this out and pressure wash it tomorrow and see how good it comes out. Wow, that's amazing. Spread a little more on there. Dry it out. It's 40 degrees in the garage. Just had an idea that this would work, and it does very well. Doesn't smell bad either. Huh. Well, not bad for just wiping it down. I think tomorrow we'll take it outside and spray the whole thing off and pressure wash it. Clean it up and get it ready to go again. Looks pretty good. It's going to look good.